Hi everyone, we have an LC300 here. The clients wants a better ride and better stance. So what we did on his unit is we replaced the shocks to Tane Enduro Pro Plus. It is a 16 ways adjustable damper from hard to soft. If you have a problem with the shocks, if you replace, because from the stock there's a, you can change to sports, but when you replace it with Tane, there's no check light on the unit. So here's it. This is with IBAC custom coil spring. The front coils is plus 10 mm in height, while the rear is minus 40 mm. So you get the level stance on an LC. This improve handling, guaranteed, and if you're less body roll, and of course the looks, as you can see. Plus 10 minus 40 mm at the back. This is the coil spring with Tane Enduro Pro Plus. The IBAC customized Pro Lift Kit also available soon for the LC250, LC200, and many more. If you're interested with our product, feel free to message me. And please follow PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, everyone. Bye!